Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then go into Permission Manager, pick one of your phone's features like Location, and select one of your apps like Maps or Instagram. Then pick one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with Allow only while using, so when I go back, I can see that Instagram gained access to this device location while I'm using it. You can also click on one of those apps and choose See All from permissions over here. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!